What is up, guys? So I gotta print out two more designs today. I've got one customer printout already, and then I have to do two more designs, get them heat pressed, and hopefully get them shipped today. It's been crazy with this coronavirus thing. It's been a mess. So let's go. Got my design ready, just gotta cut it out. Try to cut it out. Change these dimensions up. Yeah, that is like one thing that I'm afraid of switching to the Cameo is I'm so used to the Cricut software. It's gonna suck to have to switch. Let's go. So I'm gonna get that. Oh my god. So I'm gonna get that cut up, printed out, and then I gotta get one more vinyl piece. I'm gonna use the B-Flex Gimme 5 for this last design, and I just did 2 black glitter. So once I get that, should be good. Also, I'm very excited because I got my camera back for about a week now. I haven't touched it because I've been working, but really excited to have it back and ready to shoot some more videos with this thing again because I've been using my GH5 with the ultra wide lens. Works pretty well, but yeah. I gotta weed this out. Ooh. Ooh. So I'm doing this dope glacier white Lion of Yahweh, Lion of Judah. I love this design. It's freaking dope. I've seen a couple people try to copy it. I mean, can't really copy it. I tweaked it. It was free art. I tweaked it for my liking. But I've seen a couple of people trying to bite my style. It just ain't the same. Got a little trash bucket here. I got all my designs printed out. I just got to weed them out, get the shirts ready, get them pressed up, and go ship. Alright, so we're getting ready to press. I'm gonna put this over here so I can try to get a decent angle. I don't have my tripod right now, so I'm gonna try to put it down, see if you can see me, and yeah, let's get pressing. Let's see, what angle is that? What angle is that? Let's go. Alright, so first up we got the We got the black shirt. Let me turn this down. My bad, I got the fan on because this heat press gets real hot. And it's been burning my ass up. So, first up we got the black shirt, black fringes, and the white art logo. So I'm gonna get this situated. Throw a Teflon sheet on. Oh, this is the worst part. I'm a perfectionist, so I want to make sure that everything is super straight. My brothers only deserve the best. Let's get this thing pressed. Still recording? It is. Pop that off. Pop this over here. Boom. Boom. And what I like to do now is like check my work right here on the press to kind of see if it needs any touching up, because once you pull it off, then you got to get it recentered. So Hi-yow, baby. That looks dope. That looks dope. You know what I'm saying? That looks dope. Look at that. That looks dope. So that's one. That's one. We got number two. And this one's gonna be a black on black. This is gonna be a black on black. Black fringes, black shirt, black fringes, and black artwork. He wanted that diamond, that black diamond artwork, so that's what we giving him. And for real, I love this. Actually love this design because it's so sleeper. It's so sleeper. You really get to see that black diamond pop. So there's different things that I do to make sure things are centered. First thing I like to do is I get my estimate, right? I get my estimate with the heat press and I get it all going. I get it on there, I get it as straight as I can. And then what I like to do is I like to fold the shirt over the design like that. Fold the shirt over the design to where it meets the beginning of the design like that, and I try to make sure the artwork is actually centered between the collar just like I wanted to, make sure it's nice and even. And then I pinch the sides by the armpit. I pinch the sides by the armpit and I bring it over to see how both sides measure up and make sure it all kind of fits like it's supposed to. and that's the method I use to make sure everything is like lined up. So that might help you if you are trying to figure out the same thing, but I do it by eye and feel, and that's how I line up my shirts. I don't have a T-square. I think I'm gonna get one. Probably get one at Walmart when this damn coronavirus thing dies down. But for the most part, that's how I do it. It's on there pretty good. Let's go ahead and press this one up. And then while that one's pressing, we got one more to go after that. Man, my son put all kinds of stuff in here. Like the last one, I always use the Teflon on the black shirts, especially because you don't want to get that burn, that square burn in. That if you press black shirts without something protecting it, even if you use parchment paper, you'll get that burn in, that square burn in that goes around the image. I don't like that very much, so I use the Teflon sheet. It absorbs reflects most of the heat, but it leaves enough heat for this thing to get pressed on. And there it is. And that looks so baller. Yo, that looks baller, bro. Look at that. Oh man, I gotta show y'all this one. Look how baller that is, bro. That is sick. And you got that glimmer. That's that Galaxy Black, man. That shit looks dope. I love it. So that's another one down. That's another one down. And yo, peep the shirts, peep the jacket. I got them jackets. I got more in there. But I got some jackets with the flock, with the gray flock, the dark gray flock. And Tribe of Judah breakdown on the front. We got my denim jacket. Looks dope. Looks real dope. So let's keep it going. Gotta bust out the white shirt now. Now this white shirt is getting a really cool design with the B-Flex Gimme, the Gimme 5 that I'm digging. And this is a 3X, right? This is a 3X. And this is kind of the reason why I want to go with the Cameo 15-inch, because for the bigger shirts, I do want to be able to give that bigger image. You know what I'm saying? Because when you got a bigger shirt, you got more real estate on the shirt. And you want to, you kind of want to be able to give it a bigger image. And so if I can at least get that 15 by 15, it'll be dope. 1 second. So to get this baby lined up, like I said, I always like to pinch the armpits together, the corner of those the bottom corner of the armpits, pinch them together. Make sure it's kind of centered. It's centered, pretty good on the shirt. Then I pull the top of my shirt over to make sure it's centered between the collar. And once you get that centered, you're good to go. Now with this Gimme 5, it presses in like 5 seconds, so we don't need a lot of time. I'm gonna do like 6 seconds. Yeah, we're gonna do like 6 seconds. That's it. Slide our Teflon on. We're gonna do 5 seconds. 6 seconds, sorry. Test it out. I'm gonna do a little lift on the corner. Boom. Clean. That saves a lot of time. That's like really, really fast. Super fast, actually. Super, super fast. I love the material. It's really dope, and it's super inexpensive. Way more inexpensive than the black glitter that I use. The glitter that I use, the Black Galaxy. This just looks dope. I love it. And like you saw, it only presses in 5 to 6 seconds. Super easy on 322. It's dope, man. It saves a lot of time trying to press shirts. I love it, and the material is great. It's almost like a screen print. It feels just as good as any screen print. I like it. So, with that said, that was the last of the shirts. I got to get them packaged up, sent out, and get some happy customers, because right now coronavirus is messing everything up. So the least I can do is get these orders out, and at least some people can be happy. I got a couple of brothers and sisters that are going to they need these shirts for upcoming Passover and stuff, so I got to get these shirts out quickly. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Got any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. I'll catch you later. Peace.
Fresh shell camp system. 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 Fresh shell. 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 Fresh. 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 Fresh shell camp system. Hey. Fresh shell camp system. Hey. Fresh shell camp system.